Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty Cake and Snack. Today we are going to cook instant noodle. Trust me, when you try this recipe, you don't want to go to work anymore. You will love it and it doesn't take time and it's fast and easy. So these are the ingredients we are going to need. So if you are in Belgium, you can get all these ingredients in correct. We are not going to need the whole carrot, so we don't need the whole packet. Probably need about 4 or 5 from it. And the scampi, yes. And the sauce, that we are not going to put on. Probably need 2 big spoons of it. This, yes, we are going to use that. And the vegetable mangi. You can see the mangi, gluten iklo mangi, that is what we need. And the green pepper, the yellow pepper, the red pepper, the mushroom, and the wok, the olive oil, of course, the onions. So that is it. Let's start slicing. Before that, I think I'm gonna soak this one on the cold water, the scampi, so it defrosts so I can peel it. So now we're going to start slicing, and please don't forget, always wash it first. So it's been washed. Now we just cut it open, take the seed out. So slice it as thin as you can, because this takes a few minutes to cook. That is the green pepper. Remember, if you are not cooking for a lot of people, you don't need to use so much pepper like this. You can just use half of it. I'm using all because I'm cooking a lot. So depend on how much people you are cooking for, depend on how much pepper you use. Now we go for the carrot, which we have peeled already. These are the ingredients sliced already. And now we are going to do our stuff. We can't forget that. Then on the water, finished peeling the scampi. What we do now, we just open it up here. You can also take it out by putting fork on it and get it out. You look, if there is shit inside, you get it out. That vein, so like that. Just get it out. So, like that. One by one, you look at it. One by one. Like some have it, some have been already taken off, so it's not taken off. Get it out. So that's gonna take a while, so I'll do that off camera. I'll be right back after. So as you can see, we have finished with all the ingredients, slicing them. You see all the pepper, you see the scampi, mushroom, the onions, the carrot, of course. So we are going to put water in the fire. So then we put the pan to fry the ingredient. The water is to boil the noodle, and remember the noodle only takes 4 to 5 minutes, not more than that, 4 to 5 minutes. So we just put our oil in. What I'm gonna do first now, I'm going to fry the scampi for a few minutes before I start with the vegetable. I don't like to chunk everything in, so that's why I'm going to do the scampi in a pot. Just put a little bit of salt in. A little bit of salt in the scampi. Just get it together. So the scampi takes 1 minute. Should not be longer than 1 minute. You just want to see that color, and you turn it fast. And you get it up. You don't want it to be overcooked. Overcooked scampi can be rubbery. So we don't want that. So that is our scampi. Already cooked. So what we do now, we take a tissue, just clean it up. So now we start with the onions. So, a little bit of salt again. good pasta. So it has been cooking for a while. Just pour the mushroom in. Like if you are that type that does not like to cook with olive oil, because some people doesn't like to cook with olive oil, I like to cook with it because it's very healthy. So if you are that type that doesn't like it, then you can use groundnut oil or sunflower oil. I like only because you don't get fat from it, so it's very good for your blood. So you can see the mushroom have gone down, and if you think you don't have enough oil, you can add more to it. I just put the pepper. So after I put the pepper, now I put black pepper. Okay, while this is going on, you can see our water is ready. I'll come to that one later, so I just have to put the mango in here. I'll put a little bit of this, not too much. That's enough. So you just cover it up. Now we go for our noodles. Salt in the water. Remember, this noodle takes 5 minutes to cook. Just get it in like that. I'm cooking 2 packets. So, like that. And you can just there are different type of noodles, so not what type of noodle you cook like. So there are different type of noodle. Depend on the noodle, depend on how you cook it, depend on how you flavor it. So yeah. Now we add our sauce to it. I'm only going to put 4 little spoons. I don't need so much. That's more than enough. So now what we do, we don't forget our soya sauce. So we just get it in. A little bit before this here, so it doesn't move. Yes, thanks, darling. want the crunchiness, so we won't let that cook too long inside. Now you can see we don't have that much oil on it, so I'm going to add some oil. You just make a space and you get it in. You just cover it up. You cover this up. So look, fine, darling.
Welcome.
So while that is cooking, we drain this out. Now I'm going to make egg because my baby can love it with the egg. You don't wait, you just slowly turn it. You can leave it without, you can eat it without egg. Here we have 4 eggs here. We have 4 eggs. So you see how the egg turned up? Yeah. So we want it in pieces inside. So that is our egg ready. Our vegetable ready. Our noodles ready. Okay, now what we do now? We get the vegetable. We don't put all at once, we gotta put some or else we can miss it proper. So we have to make sure everything is well mixed. So it takes quite a lot, so it's gonna be very difficult to mix. I'm gonna get this side. So you can see what I'm doing. So put the remaining one. While you're doing this, you can add some of the egg inside. Like that. As you can see, I'm cooking for the whole family, so gotta be more. So this could feed about 8 people. So we are cooking for 8 people. This is not for one person. I mean, this is not for just 3 people. So this is food for 8 people. 8 to 10. So if you have a bigger pot, please use it. So you can see that is our wok noodle. So we are going to plate up and we are going to eat. I hope you give it a try and I hope you enjoy it. So, that is the scampi on it, so you can mix it on it like that. Just, so, that's all we can do.